Hey everybody, February 28th, 2023. Wanted to show you guys a piece that I've been working on for a few hours now. Cleaning it, you can tell the difference between clean, polished, and unpolished. These are some of the jewelry cloths that I give away during my whatnot shows. I wanted to show you that they really do work. Easiest way to actually clean stuff is just by your hands. I wanted to read you a little about this company. It has a very neat clasp. Let's see. Poof. Real quick. It is called Duplaise. It has a very unique clasp. And there's also a hallmark on it, so that you know it is worth looking up. Come on. Focus. Go. The way this clasp works. Actually fit it in there and it automatically closes. The only way to get it out is to actually push down here, push down, and then it opens. So it is a self-closing clasp. But a lot of these clasps I watched another video on, and they said that these are Miriam Haskell. And a little fact that I found out about this company with the Duplaise is Carolyn Duplaise founded her company's namesake in 1978 in New York. According to the company's website, the firm started out with one designer and salesperson. Before establishing her company, Carol Duplaise began her career in the industry as a receptionist with Miriam Haskell. So that is why we see these clasps, and just because you see this clasp does not mean that it's Miriam Haskell. But this particular designer started to work for Miriam Haskell in her past, and she ended up being the president of the company in the mid-1970s. This is a company that was in business until 2016 at the age of 77. I'm going to put some markers info on it from websites that I've seen, but you can tell just because it's dirty, there are ways to clean it. Just a little bit of elbow grease. Anyway, have fun researching your jewelry, guys. See you Saturday, 5 o'clock on Eastern Standard Time for the Whatnot sale. This will be there. Thanks for watching.